Hi, in this video, we are going to make this layered Thank You SVG template. Here are the tools we need: tweezers, foam dots, foam tape, and glue. To start, click the download link in the below description and upload the thank_you_OK SVG file to Design Space. The default size is 7 inches by 7 inches. If you are happy with the size, just click Make It. Now we got to the Prepare page. Set out your paper size. I would suggest to keep the top layer of the wording Thank You the last page to cut. Oh good, then click Continue to cut. All the elements have been cut out here. To make the assembly easier, divide the elements in groups: the base, rainbow, wording, and 3 piles of the clouds. Leave the top layer of the thank you on the cutting mat so we won't lose them. This is why we leave this layer the last page to cut. Okay, let the fun begin. First, we are going to assemble the rainbow. Apply glue and align all 3 layers of the rainbow at the bottom. Once the rainbow is done, glue the rainbow to the base layer. There are different symbols to help us position the clouds. Next, we are going to assemble the 4 clouds that are under the rainbow. Match the top layer's clouds with their second layers. It will be easier if we use texture paper, just in case they are flipped by accident. With texture, it is easy to tell which side is facing up. Take time to find their match. Then we will match them with the 3rd layers of the clouds that have the same symbols. Glue the bottom 4 clouds to the base. Find the square symbol cloud group and glue all to the base. Use the square symbol to position the 3rd and the 2nd layers. Continue with the other 3 clouds. We have done the clouds. Put the base aside for now and move on to the next step. Grab the cutting mat that has got all the letters of the word Thank You. Glue them to the 2nd layer. It is looking good. I'm going to use the foam dots at the back to make it pop a bit. All the foam dots are done. Flip it over and take time to position properly. Once we're happy, give it a gentle press. For the 3rd layer, I'm using foam tape at the back. Flip it over and it is ready to attach to the base. Take time to position it. Looks good, then give it a press. The remaining 2 clouds, I would like them to pop out a bit, so I'm gonna use foam dots here. Using the triangle symbol to position the cloud layers. Same here. Use the circle to position the cloud layers. We have made it! We could glue a stick at the back to make it a cake topper or gift topper. Here I used printed card paper to make a thank you card. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy this project.